Hi guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm gonna show you how to upload a gig on Fiverr. And as you can see, we are now on the buyer's homepage, and on the top right hand corner there is this switch to selling option right here. Just click on that and you'll be redirected on the seller dashboard page. And on the top right hand corner again, go to your profile logo and click on profile. After that, you'll be redirected here. You'll see all these options. And as you can see, I have no active gigs. I have one on my drafts. And then just click on create a new gig. After that, just fill out all these options, the gig title, select a category, and put on tags. After that, just save and continue, and you'll see all these other sections: the pricing, description, requirements, gallery, and publish. After you finish all that, you'll successfully upload your gig. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.